Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your math class. So, children, I welcome you all to the math class. So, today the day is Thursday and it is 23rd of December 2021. So, children, today is Thursday, so we will do the sums from your second book, that is Math Steps book. So, before proceeding to the class, all of you get ready with your Math Steps book, pencil, copies, everything. So, children, in today's class, we will continue with chapter 13, measures of capacity. We will do exercise 80 today, A and B, which is in page number 206. So, children, we have done many sums already from this chapter. Today is the last class for this chapter, okay? And in today's class, we will do exercise 80, A and B. Note that 1 liter equals to 1000 ml. This is going to help you in your higher classes also. So please don't forget it, children. 1 liter equals to 1000 ml, or you can say that 1000 ml equals to 1 liter. So children, I have already told you in exercise 8 we will do exercise 80 A and B, and in exercise 80 A and B there are word problems. So let us first see briefly what are there. So this is exercise 80, children. In A we will do 1, 2, 3, 4. In A, 2 sums I will do in the class and 2 will be your home assignment, and we will do 80 B in the class. So let us proceed to our class. So let us read the first question from exercise 80A. On the birthday of his daughter, Shrikant collected 7 liter 700 milliliter and 5 liter 450 milliliter of milk from 2 dairy farms. How much milk did he collect? So here it's written that Shrikant collected it's his daughter's birthday. So on his daughter's birthday, he has collected milk from 2 dairy farms. Okay, one is 7 liter 700 milliliter, another is 5 liter 450 milliliter. So how much milk did he collect? So what you will do here, yes, to find the total quantity of milk, you will add both the milk from both dairy farms. So let us write the statement first. Okay, children, so you will write exercise 80 in a fresh page. You will write classwork, you will write today's date. So I have written the statement for number 1. So you will write milk collected from first dairy farm. So what is the amount of milk collected from the first dairy farm? 7 liter 700 milliliter. Now next, milk collected from second dairy farm, 5 liter 450 milliliter. So total amount of milk. So we have already told that to find the total amount of milk, you have to add this both quantity of milk. So let us start adding. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 7 plus 4 is 11, so that will be 1150, that is 1050 ml. So 1 I will write in liter because 1000 ml equals to 1 liter. So next one I will write here. So 150 ml we have got, and 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. So our answer we have got 13 liter 150 meter. So the total amount of milk Shrikant collected for his daughter's birthday is 13 liter 150 milliliter. So in this way you will do number 1, children. Number 2 is also similar to number 1. So you will do number 2 as a home assignment. A thirsty man drinks 250 milliliter of soft drink, and then he drinks 300 milliliter of another soft drink. How much milliliter of soft drink he drink? So you just have to add two types of amount of 2 types of soft drink, then you will find the total amount of the soft drink he has drink. Okay, so this number 2 you will do it yourself. Now let us move to number 3, children. Number 3 I will do, and number 4 will be a home assignment. So the capacity of a bucket is 9 liter. Okay, what is the capacity of bucket? It is 9 liter. There is 4 liter 300 milliliter of water in it. So there is already water in it. Like for example, this is bucket. Yes, this is bucket, and the capacity of bucket is how many? This bucket capacity means it can hold 9 liter. If water will be still up, it can hold 9. If water will be full, it can hold 9 liter of water. And there is already 4 liter 300 milliliter of water. So maybe it may be till here. Yes, 4 liter 300 ml of water. So what you have to find, how much more water can be poured into the bucket. You have to find how much more water can be poured into the bucket. So what you will do here, yes, you will subtract 4 liter 300 milliliter from 9 liter and you will get your answer. So first let me write the statement. Children, I have written the statement. The capacity of bucket is 9 liter. Amount of water in it 4 liter 300 ml. Water that can be poured. So what I have told that you have to subtract 4 liter 300 milliliter from 9 liter. So 9 liter is only there, so we will put 30 for milliliter. So let us start doing 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. We can subtract 3 from 0, so let us make it 10 by borrowing 1 from 9, so that will be 10. So 10 minus 3, 7, and 8 minus 4 is 4. So more water that can be poured will be equal to 4 liter 700 milliliter. Okay, so in this way, if you subtract this one 4 liter 300 milliliter from the total amount of capacity of the bucket, you will get the answer. So number 4 is very easy. To paint a room, a painter used 1 liter 500 milliliter of yellow paint and 500 milliliter of brown paint. How much paint was required to paint the room? So two amount of paint is given, 1 liter 500 milliliter of yellow paint and 500 milliliters of brown paint. So you yourself decide that what you will do to paint the whole room, to find the amount of liquid paint to paint the whole room. This you yourself decide. Okay, now let us do number 7, children. This is from B. Okay, number 7 is from B, 80B, exercise 80B. We have done exercise 80A. This will be from exercise 80B. So let us do number 7. A flask can be filled up with 9 mugs of coffee. So there's a flask which can be filled up with 9 mugs of coffee. Okay, so it can be filled with 9 mugs of coffee. So each mug can hold how many ml? Each mug can hold 150 ml of coffee. So how much coffee does the flask hold? So it can be filled with 9 mugs of coffee and each mug hold 150 milliliter of coffee. So to find the total capacity of flask, what we will do? Yes, we will multiply 150 with 9 because it can hold 9 mugs of coffee, right? So let us first write the statement. Children, I have written the statement. Number 7, capacity of a coffee mug equals to 150 ml. A flask can hold 9 mug of coffee. 9 mug of coffee. Yes, so capacity of a flask, I have told you to multiply 150 with 9. So let us start multiplying. 9 zeros are 0, 9 5s are 45, so 4 I will write at the top and 5 I will write here. 9 1s are 9 plus 4 is 13. So our answer we got 1350 ml. Capacity of flask is 1350 ml, or you can write 1 liter 350 milliliter. So we have got the capacity of the flask, children. The capacity of the flask is 1 liter 350 milliliter. So hope this one is clear to you all. Now let us move to number 8. Number 8 will be a home assignment. It is also very easy. A bottle of medicine contains 250 milliliter of the medicine. While Chandrasekhar was ill, he had to take 3 bottles of the medicine. Same as number 7. What you will do? Altogether, how many milliliters of medicine he takes? So, the capacity of bottle of medicine is given and Chandrasekhar has taken 3 bottles of medicine. So, what you will do? You will just write the statement and you will multiply 250 with 3. So, you will get the answer. Okay, children? We will try to solve this sum number 8 in the class also. Okay, so children, I think so whatever we have done today is clear to you all. I will see you all in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you everyone.